Let's make ปลากะพงผัดเปรี้ยวหวาน or sweet and sour sea bass.
This recipe is for 3 to 4 person. Full recipe will be listed in the description box below. Before we proceed, give this video a like, share and subscribe to show your support. You can follow our work on YouTube and also Facebook.
Here are our ingredients. We have
Sea bass, ginger, sugar, garlic, white onion, bell pepper, oyster sauce, soy sauce, pepper, ketchup, tomatoes, pineapple, spring onion and cucumber.
Since this is a sweet and sour dish, these two are very crucial. These are what are going to make your dish naturally sweet and sour. Let's dice all of these.
Here's an easy way to dice up your cucumber. First is to put your knife in, but not all the way, like so. Cut it once more. I'm going to finely chop my ginger. This will really enhance the flavor of the whole dish.
Let's score the fish. This makes cooking so much quicker and it also looks prettier. So with my knife, I'm just gonna go in straight and dig my way in until it reaches the bone and then I stop. So for this size of fish, I'm going to make 4 lines. This part is the thickest, so you really want to score this part. So come like this. When you salt the fish, it doesn't stick to the frying pan or your wok and it makes life so much easier. But don't overdo it, just enough to lightly coat the fish. Make sure that your oil is really hot so that your fish won't stick to the frying pan. And once the fish is in, reduces the heat to a medium high and let it cook.
So depending on the size of your fish, you need to gauge how long it's gonna cook. Judging by the color, you can probably tell it's cooked. With any kind of vegetable oil of choice, we are stir frying our garlic and ginger together. Drop in your vegetable and stir fry them together. Now we add in plain water to soften this up. Next, we season this with sugar, oyster sauce, soy sauce, and ketchup. This may look watery, but this is the consistency that we are looking for. Since my fish is so huge, I need this much to drench it all.
And now it's ready to be drenched on our fish. Look at all those colors. And this is our sweet and sour sea bass. It's looking so good right now. So I'm just gonna have a taste test. Wow. From the sauce, you have got the sweetness from the ketchup and the sour, and each and every vegetable in here plays an important role. You've got the crunch from the white onion, iconic taste of bell pepper. Wow! Look at that chunk of fish! Wow! Wow! That fish is really nice. We've got the freshness from the fish and the sour and the sweet. Everything is just so well balanced and it's so good. Make sure to give this recipe a try. You won't be disappointed. Give this video a like if you find it helpful. Share and subscribe to support me and to be notified when the next video is up. Until then, see you next time with a new Thai recipe. Bye bye!